My name is Evans Olufemi Ademiluwa. As you can see me on the camera, that's my picture there. And now, I prefer to be called Large. You can choose to call me Evans if you want to. So before the business, I was an agent, an engineer. I'm a student of engineering, and then I was into a lot of stuff, a whole lot of stuff. So now, but today I am a new life director, qualified director, and more than ever, I see the future more clearer. Like the future is more colorful than before. So without wasting much time, I'm going to dive deep into what the business is all about. So what is the business all about? Do you know what the business is? FHG, like we all know. So FHG is a faith heroic generation, and our founder is Mr. Jagmula Fatai. So under FHG is a two-in-one business structure where we have network marketing and freelancing. So network marketing we partner strictly with Neolife, and freelancing we do Fiverr, Upwork, and all other platforms for freelancing. So the major mission of FHG is actually to eradicate poverty. So here I have some teams that we have under FHG down to my team, which is large team, which that's where my own name is here. So moving on, like I said earlier, the major mission of FHG is actually to eradicate poverty. Now, I would just like to talk about how money flows on earth. Since you're talking about poverty here, I think it makes sense for me to talk about how money flows. So there's a cash flow quadrant to which money flows. That means there's a way to use this money flows from employee, self-employed to big business owner and also to the investor. I think it is pretty much stated rightly here. So an employee has a job, uh, and his time is what he used to make money. So a self-employed person actually owns his own job. So I like to say that it is an employee works in a system. A self-employed person owns is a system. A big business builder owns a system, while an investor actually his money makes more money for him. So I think pretty much this image has explained how money flows. If I had much time, I would have loved to dive deep into exactly how money flows on it. But then, if you really want to make so much money, you have to be on this side where your time is not directly what's making money for you. Instead, your money is making money for you, or your system is making money for you. So, with that, I'm going to talk about a three ways that you can build big business. You can build a big business from scratch. That's how you can start a big business. You can do franchise. That's you can own somebody else's business. Sorry, have a name of somebody else's business in your own name. For example, sorry, like let me say you own Country Kitchen or you own Captain Cook. You are using Captain Cook's name to start a business. The business is going to grow faster than using your own name, maybe large team to start a business. It's not going to go that far compared to how sorry, grow that far compared to how you using something like KFC or Domino's starts a business, then changing it back to your own. Now, to do all those two things, they involve a lot of money, but finally, we have our own business model here, which is network marketing. The network marketing is just a means of starting your own business in a very, very quick way, very, very fast way, and also without so much startup costs. So, like I said, network marketing is a business model that depends on person-to-person sales by individual representatives. So, we are partnering with New Life, and it was founded in 1958. Founded by Jerry Brasfield. Also, our product is food supplements. So we have some core values here. I'm going to be making a video that's going to explain all these things more in details. I want to just make sure I cover all these things as much as possible in 5 minutes. So, what do you get from New Life? You give you good health, cool wealth, and freedom and lifestyle. That is what New Life is all about. So, what do you have to do to get all these things? You have to use the product, share the product and the opportunity, then personal development. There are different stages in your life. You have the distributor, manager, senior manager, executive director, emerald, and so on. Now, the higher you advance in this post, the higher you actually have more opportunity to make more money and also to have a larger network of people that can actually be of influence to you. Now, just like every other system out there. Yeah. So now freelancing, of course, I think we all know this. So what do you get in our business? You get an high paying skill and also a way to monitor your skill. That means if you already have a skill before, you can be taught how to actually um, monetize your skill. And if you don't have a skill before, you don't have to worry. We teach you how to have a skill and also how to monetize your skill. So if you have a laptop and a good phone, you're ready to go ahead. And if you don't have all these things listed here, you are still available to actually get ahead. Just contact the person that shared this video with you and everything can be all done. So what do you think? Do you have any question? You can share the question with the person that shared the video with you and there'll be a longer video explaining all actually you need to know about the business. So thank you very much and Mr. Evans. Have a very, very great day.